What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be riding around. We got people here. What? I'm good. All right. Well, they think they're fast because they got big mini bikes, but I could definitely beat them right now. Watch me catch up real quick. Oh yeah! Easy, easy, easy. Look at me blow mud. He has a faster start because he got a bigger mini bike. He got a bigger motor. But I can definitely beat him right now. I'll catch up. Look at him, he's dead. He's dead. Sorry if my camera's a little shaky, but I'm trying to make it work. They're way behind me. I'm trying to catch up, but you can't. It's too slow. Well, anyway, guys, I do want to give you a further build. I want to put a bigger motor into this thing, but we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to wait to see if this thing blows up first. So I've done a few mods to it, but let's see what's up. Baby girl. See, this is why you can't be the older person, cause no, we wouldn't even have been tightening it. We would have popped it off.
Yeah, and that would have taken another like hour.
Oh man, we need Go Power Sports to sponsor us. Hey, I think they're doing a pull. Look, for the camera, please. All right, guys, we're back. All right, he's about to be game. Oh damn! Mine don't got enough power to be doing all that. Hold on, let's turn around. Let's see what he about to do. Woo! Shoot! Anyways. Oh, he better flip it. You get that on camera? Oh yeah, we did. Oh yeah. You drop your gun. Go! Hey, you better fall out, boy. That's exactly how I broke his rear fender. I'm the one that broke his rear fender. Hey, you know how he just popped a wheelie? That's how I broke his fender. Look, let me see it. Look at that, broken, huh? Best jump? I bet. Let me go first. I got it. All right, guys. So we're about to see. Oh, it just died. Come on. What's up with this thing? All right, so we're about to see who gets the best jump. I'm gonna go all the way down and get a big start. And yeah, let's see who gets the biggest jump. This is such a beautiful, nice place. I do need a new rear tire because my tire is done. So if I slip, y'all know why. If I crash, y'all know why. All right, let's get into it. Here's my jump. It's about to be a little bump. My back tire slipped like crazy. Oh my gosh. Hey! Bro, my back tire slipped when I jumped. Did you hear what we're doing? Whoever gets the highest jump wins. And it's on camera too. Look at his back. Look at this kid's back. Hey! Oh, we didn't catch it. Do it again, do it again. Let's see his. Let's wait on him. Hey, come back. Hey, go again. I'll stand right here. Go. He's gonna go first. Nah. Nah. Let's go. Woo! Nah. Too small. I could definitely do better than that one. Oh, here we got one. We got another one. We got another one. Oh, his chain popped off. All right, my turn. We'll let him fix this mini bike real quick. I want to get a new engine for mine. I definitely do want new mods because this rear tire is horrible, horrible, horrible. But anyway, let's see who gets the highest jump. Oh! Woo! Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right. Now the down jumps are the fun part. Hey, go all the way down there and then jump downwards. It's so much better. Watch. Do it behind me, behind me. All right, let's go. Hey! Oh, my back tire slid again. It slipped. Drop this bike. I do eventually want to put a Predator 212 on here and do the stage 2 carb and do all that setup. But right now I'm enjoying my 105cc. It definitely catches up to these people's bikes though. I know, bro. I saw. You need help, bro. From the top. Start from the top. There you go. Now pull it back. No, push it back. Back. There you go. Back. It's still stuck. You're doing something wrong. Put it, all the way. No, from the front, from the top to the back, it has to fit. I know it does. Go, do it. Pull it. Go, pull it. Pull it. You leaving? Why? Just stay out for a little bit more. Here, hold my bike, Sebastian. Don't right away. Something's happening. Oh, it popped off from the inside. That's why. All right, there you go. A little rowdy, but make it work. What happened? Hey, let's go to the trail back there. We gotta show it. All right, now that his mini bike's back, he's gonna do his jump. Let's go. Show us your jump. Go on this side. Go. Yeah, and then you jump. Let's see it. He doesn't get it. Let me see. Put in this one right here. Well, I guess he's not gonna do it. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go to these trails that we got in the back. It's not too big, but it's definitely fun. It's like dirt trails. Again, with this back tire, I have no tread at all. But we'll make it work. We'll make it work. See this dude? This morning we modded this guy's mini bike. I mean, we didn't really do much. We just put a zip tie on the rubber spring, and we removed the screw. So now he gets a good speed. But mine, Matt is always catching him up, always. So that's why they get mad. Look at this. See, like this, I always mess them up. Their bikes are so slow. They got a bigger block, bigger engine than me, and they still can't catch up. I got a 105, and they got a 200cc, and I still always beat them. We've raced multiple times, so I always win. Just grind on the bike. I get my own little grind, and yeah. Go to these back trails. They're back there somewhere. I don't know where they went. Oh, he's coming. All right. Let's come back here. These trails. It's a little trail, but it's really cool. All right. Let's go. See, my back tire's already slipping. Oh! My back tire slipped so much. He's throwing dirt everywhere. I think on camera, the mini bike looks like it's going real slow, but it does get up to almost 40, so which to me is not even that slow. But at the same time, it is. I do want to get that 200cc going, the 212. See, there was razors back here. Huh? I know. Oh, man. Look, he's gonna go take a leak. Well, while he's doing that, we're just out here. This is like a really good spot that we got. We also want to show y'all this other spot that we got too. This fell off again? Huh? All right, yeah, we're gonna switch the cams, and we'll be right back. Here, come with me, come with me.
Alright.
We gotta fix this chain. Like, he dropped again.
Alright.
The what?
Yeah.
The
I got it in the helmet, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's easier for you.
So we got.
This kid keeps dropping.
My bad,
He
gang.
keeps dropping his chain.
Yeah. Alright, we finna
You
get
gotta fix it.
Yeah, we finna get that fixed up. We just got the one, or Carlos and I just kind of got the one in here fixed up. We
got
broke
the little chain fixed. We did break it.
Yeah, broke it down and tightened it up. And coming up, what we finna do? We get fishing videos on here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. All right, bet.
I don't know where you put the little microphone thing. Where'd you put the mic thing?
All right. All right, we starting bikes up right now, and we finna get on the road. Huh? All right, we're going. Sebastian.
What do you mean? Oh, he was putting water in the gun.
Oh, okay, all right.
Wait, last time you got it full of mud, where'd you get it full of mud at?
Yeah, where we did jumps.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
Well, last time I went so deep in there, hey, we gotta show them the other side of the woods.
yeah.
Go?
Yeah, we should. Hey, we gotta wait for Sebastian though. And then we can hit it. I wonder what people think of us. I feel like you got the ones that are just like, oh yeah, that's cool and all. And then you got the ones that are like, oh, whatever. And then you got the ones that are like, what are they doing?
Look, it's catching on fire. It's on fire.
Let me see it.
Look, it's because you're just not throwing sparks. Let me see. Look, I'm gonna catch it on fire, watch.
Yeah, let's see what he can do. Alright, Sebastian's pulling up.
clean.
I know. Oh my bad.
I didn't get to sign you out on the 26th.
Yeah. Alright.
He's so stupid. Stop shooting me.
Hey, let's get off our bikes. Let's get off our bike. Hey, chill out with that. Yo. Huh?
Alright,
So,
listen. Bro, when do we get
hold on. Let's give them a story real quick. Alright, so we got this lady that lives in this blue house right over here. She does too much. We were over here just chilling one
we came out
day.
here with the whole tent. We were about to start a fire, cook some food, and then she comes out here and starts complaining.
Yep,
And we think she
exactly.
even called the cops, but we were gone by then, so we started rushing so bad. I attached a wagon to the back of my mini bike, and I brought my big old speaker, everything. It was fun. We had like a block party out here, but
Yeah, it's pretty fun out here, honestly. Yeah. We'll give y'all some fishing content, I think, right?
yeah, we got some fishing content coming up. We got a cross country race.
Yeah.
We got a race now, cause now that yours is all set up.
Not today.
I have such a small block, and I still beat y'all. Like, I always win, bro. I got a 105cc. His chain always pops off. Theirs is full of mud, while mine's like looking real. I mean, it's got a little bit of mud, but
Yeah, just a little bit,
it's
but
okay. It's okay.
There you go.
It's okay.
Now it looks like you were mudding with us.
He got some mud on his phone.
Carlos, now it looks like you were mudding with us.
But aside from that, it looks real clean.
I'm gonna wash my bike, give it a nice little power wash, and then
Got you.
We do want to do another video where we want to buy only Timu parts and
Yeah.
see what we can do with
And
that.
see what we can do with
Off-road
that.
mini bike. And I do also want to buy another Amazon mini bike and do mods on it and everything after we wear it out. This
Yeah.
one's definitely gonna be a project.
yeah, we got some. We're gonna do
It's gonna be a project for sure.
we're gonna do a mowing company.
212 build coming up. 212 build coming up.
Me, I'm getting a dirt bike.
Hey. Pretty tough design on this thing.
Stussy right
Show
there.
on the other side. But yeah, I mean my bike Coleman
When I first got
196.
I told myself it was only gonna be a street bike, and now what?
Now
Now
what?
my rear tire slips like crazy because how worn it is.
Hey, it's fun though.
Yeah.
Hey,
Actually, mine, look at mine. All worn out, pop tire.
hey,
broken.
Sebastian.
We really should have had that camera on when we did that crash. When we crashed in that clip.
No, not yet, boy.
Well, anyways,
I think
this is the end of the video.
Hey, niggas. Alright, so basically, I got a broken headlight.
yeah.
Wobbly.
No, his headlight's good. He's spoiled. He
Oh.
thinks everything's broken.
Look at my brakes.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at my brakes.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah, he did that to himself.
his brakes are a bit.
Took all the stickers off.
Took all the
Got broken foot pegs.
Took all the OEM stickers.
It's 'cause-
Rear fender.
Hey, but you got a headlight kit on here, right? You got a.
Pop tire, but I can still pop.
Yo, what light was I seeing back here?
Oh, this one. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. 50 likes, we do a project build. And then yeah, we'll just gotta keep showing y'all what's up, and yeah, keep making more content like this.
Bro, like